Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. A couple of days ago, Elon Musk posted this, and a lot of people were curious about the meaning of the poem. So in today's video, I'm going to explain the meaning of this Chinese poem and share with you guys the story behind it. First, let's take a look at the poem. 煮豆燃豆萁，豆在釜中泣。本是同根生，相煎何太急。煮豆燃豆萁. This is a very common daily phenomenon. When you are boiling the beans, you normally would light the beanstalk on fire. 豆在釜中泣. Now this is a figure of speech. It's like a metaphor saying the beans are crying inside the pot. 本是同根生. So this sentence is saying the beans and the beanstalk are actually share the same roots. 相煎何太急. Why the beanstalk are so impatiently frying the beans in the pot. Some netizens even say, I'm pretty sure this is some sort of recipe. Now let me tell you briefly about the stories behind this poem. During the era of the Three Kingdoms, Cao Cao was the leader of one of the kingdom, and he has two famous sons. One is Cao Pi and the other is Cao Zhi, poet of this poem. Now, Cao Zhi is a person who has a lot of talent in terms of poem and literature, and Cao Pi has always been very jealous of his talent. After Cao Pi successfully became the emperor, he one day called Cao Zhi to the court and saying, I know you're very talented in poem writing. If you can write a poem within 7 steps, literally walking steps, and then I will spare your life. Otherwise, I shall kill you. It is under this circumstance, Cao Zhi wrote this famous poem by using the metaphor of saying the beans and the beanstalk share the same roots, indicates himself and his brother, who then was an emperor, Cao Pi, shared the same roots, they shared the same father. And also use the idea of why you are so impatiently frying the beans in the pot to indicate the cruel penalty that his own brother, who later became the emperor, has trying everything in his hand to suppress his brothers. So this has become a very, very famous and well-known poem in China. Now the jury is still out about why Elon Musk shared this poem. There are many left unsaid and many has already been said, saying all the humankind have shared the same planet Earth. It could be very inspirational in today's climate. Alright, I hope my explanation is helpful for you, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye bye.